Welcome to my online class on business lessons for me and you. Business lessons: start small, think big. Do not judge your results too soon. If you judge your results too soon, you will pivot and quit. Do not underestimate yourself. Never ever do this. Please be optimistic, test and try things. Your mind will be pessimistic and talk you out of things. No, this won't work, it can't work, who are you to do this, etc. etc. A whole long list. Do not fear failure. The more you fail, the more you will win. Take massive risk. Life is risky. We won't get out of life alive. Serve more people. The master teacher taught, service to many leads to greatness. Develop your mind. Study, learn, grow, change, develop, read, learn, attend trainings, masterminds, etc. etc. Have faith and courage. That's biblical, right? Have some faith, man, and courage. Just do it. Just do it. Thank you and you're welcome.